Welcome to Bright Stack. Today we will learn how to use and represent a number line. Let's begin by understanding what a number line is in math. A number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal distances. It helps us visualize and compare numbers easily. It usually has 0 in the center, positive numbers on the right, and negative numbers on the left. Here is how we represent -5 to +5 on number line. Let's look at a number line with whole numbers, 0 to 10. Let's see how we can use a number line for addition. For example, 3 plus 2 equals 5. To add 3 plus 2, we start at 3 and move 2 steps to the right. We land on 5. So, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's try with negative numbers. Here's a number line from -5 to 5. Let's see how we can add negative numbers. For example, -2 plus 4 equals to 2. To add -2 plus 4, start at -2. Move 4 steps to the right. You land on 2. So, -2 plus 4 equals 2. So, -2 plus 4 equals 2. Now let's try fractions. Here's a number line with halves. You can clearly see that 1/2 is between 0 and 1. Now let's try adding fractions. What is 1/4 plus 2/4? Now let's draw a number line with fractions between 0 and 4 with fractions. We start at 1/4, move 2 steps forward, and land at 3/4. So 1/4 plus 2/4 equals to 3/4. Now let's try subtracting fractions. What is 0 minus 1/2? Now let's draw a number line with fractions between -2 and 2 with fractions. We start at 0, move 1 steps backward, we land at -1/2. So 0 minus 1/2 equals to -1/2. Decimals can also be placed on a number line. Look at this line from 0 to 1 in steps of 0.1. You can now compare 0.3 and 0.7 easily. 0.7 is to the right of 0.3, so it's greater. Number lines are also used to show inequalities. Here is a number line from 0 to 5. To show x is greater than or equal to 2, we mark a filled circle at 2 and shade all numbers to the right. Here is a number line from 0 to 5, where it shows 3, 4, 5 are greater than 2. Let's quickly review. Number lines help us with addition, subtraction, comparing, fractions and decimals, inequalities. Great job learning today's topic. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Bright Stack.